Welcome back. We travel on over to Mike Eppel standing by with, well, we're looking for positive news when it comes to the COVID vaccine. Good morning to you.
Hi, how you doing this morning?
I'm doing all right. Nice to be back. It feels like
good.
it should be Friday. Everyone's been saying it. Feels like it should be Friday.
I guess, yeah. That's a good... What day of the week is this? I've lost track.
Exactly. It's Thursday. Don't worry. We're turning
That's
that
right.
bend.
It's just another blur. Yeah, Melanie, earlier in the week we had the promising news from Pfizer. And today it may or may not be Moderna out of Massachusetts. This is another one of these companies that has been working on early stage clinical vaccine trials for COVID-19. And they say they've got enough COVID cases to work with and are ready to release their results within days. So that could be today, it could be tomorrow, early next week. But hopefully we'll see something similar from an efficacy standpoint than what Pfizer was talking about earlier this week. A little bit more on that Pfizer trial, because they're saying that from a side effect standpoint, some of the recipients of the Pfizer vaccine, 2-dose as well on that, said it was like having a bad hangover. So might take you off work for a day or two, but that's about it. So again, a lot of good signals here. But we talked about it earlier about the logistics of getting this out, just the storage temperatures and such, and then mass distribution. We're still months away, but okay, we'll go with more positive at least, right?
That's it. And we're actually going to be speaking to at 6:30 Medicago, who is the Canadian. It's
right.
kind of like that plant-based company.
City.
That's it. That has just finished phase 1. But I mean, again, phase 1's very early. But again, we are looking for the positive news that we can find here. So there it is. Let's talk about the casino industry. This is big.
Yeah, great Canadian casino is the operator of Woodbine, for example. The Woodbine Casino and 25 others across the country. And of course, it's been, shut down for all intents and purposes. What's the limit? I think 50 people on site at any given time. At the ones that are open, many are not. They got a bid of $3.3 billion to be bought out by a U.S. private equity firm, Apollo Global, which is already in the gaming industry. And they say that's a fair price. But a lot of the shareholders of Great Canadian are saying, whoa, 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 you're looking to pick up a distressed asset. Let's face it.
Right.
They've been closed and had limited operations for months now. So maybe some bargain hunting on the U.S. side of things. Does the deal get done? We'll see.
Yeah, we were talking a little bit early. No, I'm not going to do PlayStation just yet. Record-breaking Christmas sales activity. We are anticipated.
Yeah.
Everyone I know is already shopping. Is already getting ready because they are anticipating that there's going to be delays with shipping and whatnot.
Yeah, well, look, we're into these new phases of shutdowns again in certain areas. And what does that mean? Well, you're not supposed to go out. Get online and, do it through e-commerce. And that is, again, the struggle for small business, which may not be able to, see sales through that. At the same time, the race will be on for Christmas and the holidays. So the shipping companies are braced for record results and activity. They've been hiring people. But, earlier is better than later because you might not get your package on time.
Very quickly before we go, Devo Brown's ears are perking up. Let's talk PlayStation 5.
Okay, off the top, I am not a gamer, so put that out there. But this PlayStation 5 is, what's the price point? I think starting at $500 US, and more depending on whether or not it's got an optical drive and all these other things. Anyway, gaming has been off the chart this year, and Xbox and PlayStation and Nintendo's devices. And I was just reading this morning that this has been on pre-order for a couple of months and it's already sold out. So it's selling, I think, on various auction sites for $800, $900. So sorry, Devo.
Yeah, unless he's part of it.
Unless you're front of the line.
I mean, I thought ahead a little bit, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it'll be okay. It hasn't come yet, but I did see last night, Mike, that it was resale was $1,600 somewhere here in Canada, $1,600 Canadian. So people are buying them.
There's your currency change.
You really want it that bad.
Yeah,
really
people do want this,
okay.
and you're right, it's sold out. So it's for now. So it's hot commodity.
Yeah, all right, Mike.
It's a winner for Sony. It's a winner for Sony.
Let us know if it's on your list, my friend, and we'll see what we can do. I have no
The kids have not asked for it yet.
Okay, yet. All right,
Don't
thanks,
give
Mike.
them any ideas.
Yeah, don't tell them. Don't let them watch this report.